Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So you have to start with opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Then select child or a teenager and then click next. Now click add or create account for your child and then select Google. Now you have to type in your child's email address. And click next. And now you have to enter your password. Now click I agree. Then click accept. And now you can click back. And here select your account. Now you have to type in your parent account. And now you have to enter your password. Now you have to click more, scroll down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. Now scroll down and click next. Now click next again, and here you can install Family Link, or you can click skip and then install this app manually. Now click on review controls, and here is your parental control control panel. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.